Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna work on part 5 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we added the garage rooms, which are the part room. We also have the compressor, electrical room, and tool room. We also added curtain grids and mullions all around. And we added some room tags in order for us to distinguish different kinds of rooms. So in this video, we're gonna work on our car dealership signage. So let's start with going to level 1. So I know we're gonna add in the double door main entrance right here. So for me, I would make this a Honda car dealership. So from what I noticed in North America, they have this front entrance that are curved. So I will do that now. So I'm gonna click on wall. Make sure you're in level 1. And this height will be at the top of the identifier. So level 5. And then we're gonna change this to exterior wall. And then this will be exterior wall number 4, and then let's leave it at 300, and then press OK, and then OK again. So now let's create it from a radius arc. So I'm just estimating it like that, and then around like this. So let's look at it at 3D. I'm gonna change the visibility or the transparency, and I'm gonna put it back to 0. So usually there's a big H here, Honda logo, and then we'll have our main entrance here and with a vestibule. So let's go back to level 1, and then we're gonna change this. We're gonna move this a little bit in the middle of these two panels. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger, something like that. And then you need to go to wall again, and instead of curtain wall, you will choose storefront, and then choose start and radius arc again. After that, select this part to this part, and then the arc. After that, it will be changed to storefront curtain wall, and then let's go to 3D. So in 3D, select the curtain wall, and we're gonna drag it down. Let's go to, I believe this is east elevation, and then exactly, so this is perfect. It's in line with all of them. And then what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna add doors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the grids here. So you need to unpin this and then select the grid and then press delete. So maybe we could select this and use filter, and then curtain panel, curtain wall grids, and mullion. Press OK, and then let's unpin it. It's already unpinned. So now we could edit. So keep on using tab. So you need to delete the mullion first before the tab. And then you can delete the grid line. So instead of us deleting this, we can just change or drag the height. So I'm gonna change this to 2000 or 2800. And then this one will be 2000. $1,600. And then I want to put this in the middle. So let me add. So I'm just estimating this. And then I'm gonna mirror this grid line. So curtain grid, and then add it like that. And then let's add in the mullions. Let's look at it at 3D, and it will look like that. Let's also add grid on this, as this will be our entrance as well. So let's look at it at east, or we could just do it that. Select one segment and 2800. So let me create a section, and then press AL. After that, add in the mullion, and then we're gonna change that to a door. But let's delete this for now. And this one as well. We also have a door here, so I'm deleting this as well. So use tab in order to select the specific mullion that you want to delete. And then we need to go to insert and then load family. Go to doors, and then we need to select this double glass. We can add in single as well. And let's add in this double glass as well. I wanted to put it on this side. And then how about the garage door? I'm gonna select everything. So it's loading. And then I'm gonna look for a garage door. So under residential, I'm just gonna use this garage door for now. So we loaded a lot of stuff. So once you select door, you'll be able to select the garage door. Let's edit this and make it bigger. So for the width, let's put in 4,000. Height will be around 3,000. And then let's go to level 1 in order for us to put it like that. I'm gonna add it here as well. Something like that. Let's look at it at 3D. And go to west elevation and move it a little bit. We're gonna add one more here. So CS, and then on this side. Let's look at it at level 1 and change this to this side. Then remove this one on this side. So delete element 600. 6,000. And then the mullion. After that, let's go on the south elevation. We're gonna add the door here, but this will be a curtain door. So what you need to do is you need to select it a tab, and then after that you select this one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this grid. So now this is deleted. I'm gonna select this again. So I'll select this panel, scroll down, and we're gonna add this storefront, and then let's look at it at 3D. So now it's a door. Once you see it on your floor plan, will look like this. Same idea, we're gonna do it like that on this side. So now let's do this first. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna change this. We loaded some double glass door. I'm gonna use this, the big one. So something like that. Now let's go on this section. So I double click on that. I'm gonna remove this. So I remove the grid. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a grid, but one segment. So now let's add this and change this to storefront. So that's done. We're gonna go on to the east side and we're gonna change this as well. So I'm gonna remove this. And remove this segment. And then now so I deleted that, and then we're gonna select this panel. We need to unpin it. Once it's unpinned, you can add in the door. And let's look at it at 3D. So we have the door here, and we also have the door there. Let's look at it here. This one will need to be swing like this, and then this will be fine like that. So let's add in a room tag. This will be vestibule. Double click. So something like that. So let's continue this on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.